So Whop is a cross-promotion app for content creators and entrepreneurs looking for ways to help push their content or product to potential customers. So the question you may ask is, why can't they promote it on social media and instead using content creators? Promoting your product or content through the traditional social media platforms costs money, right? But Whop has made it easy to reach out to thousands of people at a lower rate. I'll show you how to create the account quickly, and I'll show you how to use this awesome app. Enter your email address here and click on continue. On this page, Whop will send you a confirmation code. Enter the code. All right, so I'll check my email and enter the code. All right, so what's your name? This will show on your profile just to help your followers or your potential customers to know it's you, especially if you are an influencer, a brand ambassador, or a content creator. I'm gonna use Blogsdom and I'll click next. All right, so right here you're gonna use your email name without the @gmail.com. So I'll change the name and I'll use my brand name or the name that you think is okay for you. So I'm using the same thing, Blogsdom. All right, so next, now you need to select your date of birth, all right, by clicking on the arrow and select the month. Click on the arrow and select the day and select the year, because they want to know that indeed you are mature enough to promote. All right, because you have to be at least 18 and above. All right, they don't want kids running around trying to promote it. Use your profile picture, so you can upload your logo or you can select one of these avatars if you don't want to use your logo. All right, but I think it's good if you can use your logo. If not, you can select, let's say, one of these. You can select it and bam, it's like that. Then you scroll down and click on save. All right, so I'll click upload image. This is it. Open. On this page you need to join a Whop and Whop University. Okay, you can join a bunch of them, but I'll join these two for now. Then click next. Dashboard. All right, as you can see here, I have my profile right here, and I'll scroll up, hover over this sign here, discover. All right, and click on it. So you have the explore and your leaderboard. So first of all, let's go back to explore and click on see all investment. All right, so I'll scroll down because what we want is the content rewards. All right, and it's under discover. All right, so then you just have to scroll down and click see all content rewards. These are the content rewards, all right, that you can promote or clip. Now, straight up, you have a CPI clipping, and they are paying $3 for 1,000 views, and they have over $100,000 budget, and they've paid 6% out of it, which is over $6,000. Now, so the way it works, I'll show you quickly, and also I'll explain what this is you click on it, all right, and the type is clippings. Basically means you're gonna take a video of this person. Let's say out of 10 minutes video, they will instruct you on what to do. Let's say create a 60 seconds video out of it, or 1 minute, or whatever. So you just have to watch the video and edit the most important part of it. Add your captions, maybe background music if they want you to, but I would advise you don't use it if you don't need it. All right, just so you're not gonna get copyright. Yeah, so right now the type is clipping and platforms: Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, and these are the views so far for this particular product. So each platform you need to get 1,000 views from it. All right, so that's how it works. So you can be making this $3 per 1,000 views on Instagram, same thing on TikTok and on YouTube. So the more thousands of views, the more money you make. So I'll click on it and I'll show you the details. So when you scroll down, all right, it says join, which is good. Sometimes it might say you need to register or you'll be put on wait list. All right, so it depends. So I'll go back. I don't want to join right now, but I want to show you something quickly. So let's say this one, for instance, and believe it or not, people are making money, but I'll show you more. So this guy, for instance, Ambro Clips, he has over 100,000 budget, and right now over $86,000 have been paid. So you just have to check these things too, because you don't want to join a campaign that it's almost done, right? But at the same time, it's up to you. If you feel like joining it, that's fine. Just to let you know. And so when you click on it and you scroll down, see right here it says join waiting list. So you can submit your application, but it's up to you. If you don't want to wait, you want to join something right away, that's also your choice. All right, and now the types, you can click on all. So let's say I don't want clipping, but I want UGC, so I'll click on it. So let's say this one, for instance, Robert Creator Program. All right, and this has over $48,000 budget, and so far they paid to over $2,000. This one is good to go as well. So let's say if you click on it and you scroll down, all right, this one to join waiting list. So it depends, if that's why you have to promote something you are really interested in. And this one is Hostinger Horizons. I don't know if it's the Hostinger for WordPress. It looks like, because you need to read to know what's going on. This one says get access. So it's your AI powered designer and builder all in one. Just describe. I think this is the create your custom website. I think it's the Hostinger that I know, so which is good because I would like to promote them. All right, and this is one of it. So this is Whop themselves. So let's say, so Whop UGC face videos using Whop. So I think this one is by promoting Whop, and Whop is good. So this one has $15,000 budget, and when you compare to this one, the one below has $125,500 budget, but they paid 95% out of it, so it's almost about to end. So you just have to look into this. So I'll click on this one. All right, so you need to check. This one says join waiting list. All right, and one thing I want to show you apart from this, let's say category. All right, so you have personal brand, entertainment, product, music, logo. All right, so let's say product, for instance, I would see, all right, bolt.new, Hostinger, like I said earlier on, boom boom, this is seed oil scout, Whop UGC, which is what I'm really interested in. All right, so you need to check to find out if you are interested in the product you want to clip or promote. All right, but I'll put it to all and change this to all as well. So when you take a look at this one, it says N3000. All right, so if you want to sort it by highest budget or pay, so when I click on it, you see highest CPM or highest available budget. So let's say highest CPM. So you see this one is paying $50 per 1,000 views, but like I said, it's almost done. War on site is paying $20 per 1,000 views, and you need to check the platform that you can promote these things on. This one, for instance, the platform is YouTube alone, and with this is Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And this one is Instagram, X, and YouTube. $10 per 1,000 views. Let me check it out. Oh no, you know what, it's almost done. So I don't want to Merlin AI, create an engaging YouTube video. This isn't bad. So this one is just YouTube. So let me click on it and see. So create an engaging video for Merlin AI expert and learn about Merlin AI while creating engaging video. But this one you have to join. So you have to check and make sure, okay, let's check leaderboards. And at the same time, you can promote the affiliate product. All right, and you can start Whop affiliate training. I guess they want to train you before you start promoting them. All right, so let's go back. All right, so let me show you something quickly by going to leaderboards. When I scroll down, see the average creator on Whop makes $7,382 per month. All right, these are some of the statistics that you need to look into. There are a whole lot of things you can do with Whop. Let me just go in and show you some stuff like testimonials and stuff. See what others are saying. Good community and great mod. Also, Ambro is awesome and fun to clip. The best place to clip. All right, so it looks like clippers are happy about this product. All right, and so it's one of the best guys on Whop. All right, but so if you want to promote something with the highest CPM, just click on here and click highest CPM. This will help you make money fast. All right, so when you check this one, for instance, it's done, so you can promote it. So this is something you need to look into and make sure you don't promote something that at the end of the day you're not gonna earn money. And some of them, like Madi Che, is like only YouTube, and this one like Create Commission is only Instagram. So you just have to make sure you know what you're dealing with. Like this, for instance, the Whop on site. Let me click on it. It's only Twitter or X, so I'll click on it. It has about $997.18 budget. They've paid $220 already, so this is not a big deal. This doesn't have a huge budget, but it's all right to start with. So to apply, you just have to click here to apply. So these are some of the things you need to look into. All right, and when you get in, it's gonna show you some of the stuff that the requirement and the restrictions. But in my next video, I'll show you how to clip like step by step. All right, so this is just to show you that there are ways and means to, there are new ways to earn money online. All right, so I'll end here, but for sure you get to know more in my next video. All right, so don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel.